Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase, A. Lowercase, a. Uppercase, B. Lowercase, b. Uppercase, C. Lowercase, c. Uppercase, D. Lowercase, d. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. Green color. A is for apple. A is for ant. Yellow color. B is for bat. B is for ball. Red color. C is for car. C is for carrot. Orange color. D is for duck. D is for door. Uppercase, A, lowercase, a, uppercase, B, lowercase, b, uppercase, C, lowercase, c, uppercase, D, lowercase, d. Please like and subscribe to my channel.